Hello, Pezzers. Let's see what we have here in this bag. We have a bag of bags. We have the Chicken Little set. And there's Chicken Little, and then Abby, and fish out of water. Let's get to this, shall we? Chicken Little, fish out of water, Abby. Let's open Abby. There's the insert. And she comes with lemon and grape candy. Pez, the greatest candy in the world. She's on a 5.9 stem. That will open up pretty easy. This one comes with lemon and grape candy also. A 5.9 made in China stem. Pretty cool. And now we're going to Chicken Little. Maybe. Same insert as before. And Chicken Little comes with lemon and grape Pez candy. He's on a 5.9 stem. Pez. Look at the detail, those glasses, wow. And you can see each little feather on his head. I don't know if the camera picks up or not, but that's amazing. And we're not just talking these chunky feathers, we're talking little individual feathers. A lot of detail here. I wonder if Abby's like that. Yeah, Abby, not quite. Very cool. What a neat set.
Be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell.
I gave my batteries away today, free of charge.
New videos!
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Check it out! We're on Instagram and Facebook!